Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Terry with Organic Raw Roots Farm, and today I'm going to show you how I took those stackable containers from the Dollar Tree and the Family Dollar and made a stackable hanging planter. We could all use some extra space, so I thought of this idea as great for the greenhouse or attached to the shed or even a tree. Okay, here's what you're gonna need. I found some more containers at the Family Dollar, so check your Family Dollar. And I got one of the chains from the Dollar Tree. I got a bracket also. I got super glue, but I wound up using E6000, and I thought about painting it, but I just left it the terracotta color. So check your Family Dollar, they might be there. The rest is pretty simple. You're just going to take your E6000 and then you're going to glue it to the chain. Make sure you take off those little clips, or maybe you don't have to, but I did. I even used a pair of scissors to take them off. It was real easy. After I glued it to the planter, I even added a little extra E6000 just to make sure it was secure. Let it dry overnight. I put a layer of leaves on the bottom and more leaves in the middle, and then put the soil on top because I wanted them to be as light as possible, plus the leaves are going to break down with the soil. And there you have it. Just transplant a few little plants, direct sow the seeds. It is a great little planter. You can plant up to 6 plants in it. Space saver. And spring is coming, so why not do a quick little cute project? I hope you enjoyed this DIY. It's quick and simple. Please like, subscribe, and even share with a friend that's looking to do container gardening and save some space. Thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. God bless. Bye-bye.